Hello everyone, greetings to you all. This is the Cryptoprophet. Click on the subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's take a look at today's video. So guys, if you take a look at the video of today, I just want to read this news for you before I continue with today's video. Now, the Fed just cut interest rates for the third straight time. So the Fed as at yesterday, they had some rate cuts. They had rate cuts anyway. They cut interest rates, and you see this actually has a very positive impact for the whole traditional markets because this is a bullish signal. Okay, this is a very bullish news. This news has the capacity to cause the markets to fly. And not just that, another development or another announcement that was also made, which really brings a lot of happiness, is this. Now, I would like to read this for you guys to see. Okay, now the Fed says it will start technical buying of treasury bills to manage market liquidity. Okay, they will start buying treasury bills to manage market liquidity. Now, Washington, December 10th, Reuters. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday said it would imminently start buying short-dated government bonds to help manage market liquidity levels to ensure the central bank retains firm control over its interest rate target system. The technically oriented purchase will commence on Friday, the central bank said, as part of the policy announcements associated with its latest Federal Open Market Committee meeting. When it begins buying, the initial round will total around $40 billion in treasury bills per month. Now guys, this is a very bullish news, because what this news is saying is that the Fed did not just cut interest rates, but they would begin buying treasury bills. They're going to start buying treasury bills. And this is a very positive news, because this means $40 billion would be pumped into treasury bills per month. So what do you think this is going to have? What do you think this kind of impacts would be in the markets? And they are starting from the 12th of December. From the 12th of December. They are starting from the 12th of December. So from the 12th of December, the Federal Reserves would begin pumping in 40 billion into treasury bills to boost the economy in the United States of America. So definitely this has the capacity to cause a lot of positive movements in the traditional markets. So this is a very bullish news. So I don't know how many persons out there are of the opinion that the market would keep on dropping. When they say the market would drop and all that. Well, I I'm of the opinion that the market would keep on pumping, to be honest. I do not think the market would, like drop the way everybody is saying. Even if we do get a drop, but to be honest with you, because of this news, this has just strengthened the information I've been providing for a couple of days now, when I've been telling you guys that we've entered into a bull run. So this only confirms what I have said, that we've entered into a bull run. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts, and then we can speak more, and then we end the video. Alright guys, so now this is the Bitcoin charts. Okay, this is the chart of Bitcoin. And to be honest with you all, from all indications, I don't think Bitcoin is going to drop that much, the way most of these crypto analysts are making everything look. as though we've entered into a very strong bear market and all that, or as though Bitcoin is in a bear market. Because you see, if you check this indicator, this white line, okay? Now, from the inception of this strong rally that Bitcoin has been having since 2023, now anytime Bitcoin comes close to this white line, it always gets a bounce. We came close here, we had this rally. When Bitcoin dropped off recent, where did we come close to? We still came back to this white line. And this white line is finding supports with these candlesticks here. Can you see this? This is a strong area of support because these candlesticks here connects straight up to this white line. And this is exactly where Bitcoin found supports. So I'm actually of the opinion that even if Bitcoin would drop the way people are saying out there, that if at all it would drop, we should be looking at $85,000. And even if it does drop down and surpasses $85,000, I think we'll still find support around here. It's only if we break this white line, that's when we would, like go lower, possibly down to these levels or somewhere around here. But you see, to me, all this is not necessary because you see, we have already bottomed, like I told you. We bottomed on the 21st of November. So even if we have a drop in the price of Bitcoin, I don't think we'll go below this bottom because we are finding supports. Where these lines are is a strong area of support. This connects to these points. So I do not think this market will drop further than this. And not just that, to back up this particular point of mine, from the 12th, we are expecting $40 billion to be pumped into the US economy to buy treasury bills. And as you all know, treasury bills is one of the strongest investments that the government of any nation can offer to its citizens. So if close to $40 billion is being pumped by the Fed into treasury bills every month, that means for December $40 billion, for January $40 billion, for February $40 billion. So in 3 months they are pumping close to $120 billion into the economy to buy treasury bills. What do you think is going to happen to the US economy? And if the US economy pumps, definitely a lot of companies are going to pump. And if a lot of companies are going to appreciate in value because of liquidity, what do you expect the S&P 500 to do? I told you guys that the S&P 500 is looking bullish. I told you guys this, despite people calling it bearish, a lot of people out there calling it bearish. I told you guys that this market is looking very bullish from what I'm seeing. And you guys can see that everything is aligning perfectly. So my point is this: if the stock market should pump, expect the crypto space as well to follow suit. So we have entered into a strong bull run, guys. You see, I told you in my last video, I told you guys that I would be expecting volatility on the 10th of November because I'm actually waiting to hear the decision of the Fed to actually see what these guys are talking about. And to be honest, I have waited and I've seen the news and I'm very happy about it. So this is really a warning because I've seen a lot of prominent YouTubers calling for a dump, calling for this one, calling for that one, that Bitcoin will go lower. They are saying Bitcoin going down to $70,000, $60,000. We've officially entered into a bear market and all that. They are speaking wrongly, and in a way, I'm not going to blame them. So I wouldn't really blame them. And the reason why I wouldn't blame them is because they aren't really exposed to the kind of secrets that the crypto prophet is exposed to. So this is why some of them, when they speak, they misfire, despite having a level of influence. So this is a very clear eye opener that it's not about how many followers you have. It's not about how much videos or how many videos you post every day. It's about your level of experience. The Crypto Prophet is very experienced. I'm an all-rounder. I'm an all-rounder. I can speak about any market, whether it's the stock market, whether it's the forex market, whether it's the crypto space, anything. I can speak about it and tell you what you should expect. So for now, guys, I am officially announcing a bull run. Of course, I've been announcing this anyway, but right now I'm making it more official based on the news that was released few hours ago. So if you like, ignore what I'm telling you. If you like, you can take it. Send an email, tradingexploit7@gmail.com. Check the descriptive part of this video. Send an email to get into the channel of the Crypto Prophets. This is going to help you. This would help you immensely. Get into my channel, get the gem coins I'll be posting, get the trades I'll be posting. It's gonna be very exciting. A lot of people are gonna make money. So this is really going to be of benefit to you. And also we will be trading the traditional markets. I've also created a channel to trade the traditional markets. We'll be trading Amazon and some other stocks. So you need to take advantage of it. Now, these stocks will be trading. I would show you a platform where you would access them easily from anywhere without stress. I'm telling you, trust me. So just be in that channel, enter into that channel and thank me. That's all I can say. Thank me and thank God. No, sorry, thank God and thank me. Thank God and thank me.